we wanna prepare a little cake in the microwave.
Hello people, now we are going to see the ingredients.
Ta-ta! 4 spoons of milk.
We need 4 cubes of flour,
1 egg, huevado.
3 spoons of oil,
3 spoons of chocolate.
a little of baking powder,
1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 cup of a wonderful world of Disney.
We need to add 1 egg. I'm sorry! Oh God! Oh God!
Wherever you go, I'll be with you.
We mix the egg.
I'm sorry, Huevardo.
We add 3 spoons of oil.
Oh yeah, this is a wonderful world of Disney. Yay!
We mix the oil and the egg.
We need 4 spoons of milk. Hang on. 1, 2.5, 3, and 4.
And sugar. 3 spoons of sugar. 3 spoons of chocolate, choco milk.
One and a half, 2.5, 3.
We mix the chocolate. André.
And 3 spoons of flour. That's normal, everyone do it. 1,
A pinch of baking powder.
it's good for you. And for me.
We put the cups on the
Microwave.
for 3 minutes.
Yes, I changed my cup. Oh no! My muffins! My muffins! Wait, they are downstairs.
If you want, you can add Nutella.
And they are ready. No, it's hot, water, water!